Stop scrolling if you always feel overwhelmed by your to-do list or daily chaos, because this app might just change how you manage your life. Meet Tiimo, the visual planner that turns messy tasks and random thoughts into a clear, colorful schedule that actually works for your brain. Tiimo works through web and iOS, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Mac, so you can plan on your computer, then follow your plan on your phone or watch anytime. Open Tiimo and dump all your tasks, errands, appointments, or ideas into its to-do list. Then use Tiimo's AI co-planner. Type or speak what's on your mind and the app breaks it down automatically into smaller steps, estimates how much time each will take, and builds a realistic plan for your day or week. Thanks to color-coded blocks, icons, and a visual timeline, you can actually see how your day shapes up. Tasks are easy to read, easy to rearrange. You drag and drop to reorder or reschedule everything so you don't ever feel stuck in chaos again. Want to stay focused and avoid distraction? Tiimo includes a built-in focus timer, a visual countdown that helps you concentrate, start tasks, switch between them, and track how long you spend on each activity. It makes time feel real and manageable rather than abstract. You can also add widgets to your home or lock screen, or use your watch, so you see what's next at a glance without opening the app, perfect for busy days, appointments, or multiple tasks in a row. Tiimo is built for people who struggle with focus or organization, neuro-inclusive by design. But even if you're not neurodivergent, Tiimo can make your life simpler by turning anxiety and chaos into calm structure and productivity. If you want to go from planning stress to actual productivity, try Tiimo now and let your time work for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tools and tips.